Hello, welcome back. On our last episode, we were in Sugarcreek, Ohio. We are obviously not in Sugarcreek, Ohio now. This is a sneak preview of what's to come on our channel. Look how clear that water is. I don't know if you can tell on camera. We're in Florida. And this is gonna be a episode later on, but when we left off the last episode, we ended up at Nucamp, which is the manufacturer of our camper, and we were waiting for the next day to take a tour, and so that's what we did. We spent the night in Nucamp's parking lot and took a tour the next day. It was great. Like, they were very informative. It was pretty cool seeing the steps of building our camper. Like, the first step was like the floor only, and you could watch as it goes on to the final product at the end of the line. It was pretty awesome. And then after we got done with the tour, they spent like 2 hours trying to fix our brakes, and it made a huge difference. They adjusted and checked everything. I mean, they went above and beyond. So the rest of our trip, we haven't been worrying about our brakes anymore because they're not doing what they were doing. So Austin with Nucamp, thank you very much. He went above and beyond. But on this episode, it's a little different than the rest. We're not going to show you the whole tour, so I'm just going to put some highlights of what the tour was about, and later on when we get back home, I'm going to post the 45-minute tour raw and uncut on my channel for the people that want to see it. I know most of y'all don't want to see that, but there's people out there that do. And but that's what we're gonna do. So this episode is gonna be different, and next episode I'm gonna be back to my normal stuff. We're gonna be in Pennsylvania on our next episode, but until then, we're gonna play these highlights right here after this. But before I play those, will you click that subscribe button and the thumbs up and all that good stuff? Ring the bell so you know every time I post a video. But see, told you it's gonna be a little bit different, but just check out these highlights and see you on my next episode.
Let's head on out this way. We'll turn left here in the hallway. This right here was the original crew back in 2010. So most of these guys are still here. There's a few that have left.
Here's the 400 line. We build about 19 units per week on this model. It's a polypropylene, which is plastic, and that's sandwiched in between two sheets of fiberglass. So it's a very hard, rigid plastic. So you never get mold, rot, soft spots in the floor. That can pop up in like the 320s if there's water that infiltrates. Soft spots. Even the 400 gets soft spots in there. It doesn't happen. So these we build about 29 to 30. Some of these guys that have more years with the company, they have a little more experience, they can maybe be moved a little bit here and there, but for the most part, everybody's here's your unit right here with tank.
I like that gray one right there.
We build about 23 of these per frame, the chassis, the axle, the wheels. And they put the tanks in and all the underbelly, and then they flip it over. So this is usually prepped out about 4 to 5 days in advance out of our wood shop, and then they bring it up here. We'll go off this door here. This is where the elevator is.
Oh, okay.